When Denver Green Streets toured the Denver Zoo with Director of Sustainability Jennifer Hale, we learned just how serious they are about water quality and conservation at the Denver Zoo and how they arrived at 50% savings on water. Here's Jennifer Hale.
Denver Water and Denver Zoo partnered together in '99 to perform a water audit of our entire 80 acres here.
That's a massive undertaking.
That's a massive undertaking. Every faucet, every pool, every point where potable water came into the system. And through that audit, we were able to identify some significant savings, up to 50% savings on water, and those projects were all implemented. Sea Lion Pool and Northern Shore Pool are both pools that are demonstrations of those projects that were implemented. These pools used to be the old former kind of dump and fill system, where you'd fill it up, after a week of use, you dump it back out, and it was a significant waste. So these pools are now on a water filtration system that we recirculate the water and get several uses out of it. So you maybe clean it out 4 times a year instead of every week. That project and additional projects like irrigation upgrades, all of our irrigation is on a control system and low conservation water flow, and those all kind of helped us reduce our water load. This year, irrigation staff also kind of took back the days of watering from 3 days to 2 days, and so they're kind of experimenting with areas where they can reduce the water needs and see if there's further reduction we can on our water use. So I would say water use is a kickoff for Denver Zoo in terms of sustainability efforts, and from there, from the monitoring and data from the audit to kind of watching the water drop and doing measurement afterwards, was our jump start into developing the sustainable management system, where for us it is very important in terms of metrics and monitoring, because it helps us build a strategy about how do we go further, how do we dive in deeper and really become truly sustainable. And those efforts, I think, would be a great example in kind of going towards into Asian tropics, and how we built that 10-acre site was taking all these concepts that we were developing around the zoo elsewhere and putting it into one exhibit and taking a holistic approach about our impacts and how we could design and build better so that we don't have those impacts and we're reducing that up front.
Check back with Denver Green Streets for more interviews with Jennifer Hale and learn more about our amazing Denver Zoo and their continuous innovations and strides in sustainability and water conservation at denvergreenstreets.com.